Bam, bam. Yes, yes. Bam. I really have no idea what I'm doing. Uh-oh. I should probably say this is episode 1. Alrighty, this is my brand new, potentially track bike. It's a 2022 R7. It's wrecked, as you can see. And hopefully this will go into a track bike for myself. This is the current state of it. She's pretty wrecked. Handlebars gone. Hole in the engine. Shifter's broken. All cracked fairings. Lights bent up. So yeah. The plan for this bike is to be a track bike. I'm hopefully going to film all of as much as I possibly can, and I'll bring everyone along for the journey. I've rebuilt some bikes before, a CBR 650, which is out there behind me, and then I also have a MT-03. Hopefully I don't find any surprising damage, I guess. Let's go. Alright, I've found the first problem, I guess. The front cowling headlight part is, well, let's just say there's some bolts missing. I knew it was bent, but it looks like it's cracked, damaged a bit there. Bolts missing, pretty grazed. Okay, so the current situation, the front end bar, I guess subframe little bit that holds on all the lights here is pretty bent. I thought I was going to be able to bend it back, but looks like it's too far gone, so I'm gonna have to see how much it's costing. So this bit right here is $280. So I think I'm just gonna have to try bend it back, I guess. Try to line it up the best I can. Not sure how and what I'm gonna do with this headlight, but I'll figure it out. So I'm gonna leave that there for now. I'm gonna move on to this big boy. Fingers crossed it's not too bad. Alrighty, that is day one. I've done quite a fair bit only in the last few hours. I've taken the crankcase off. You can see the stator down there. I'm a bit skeptical because there was a few big chunks floating around inside there, so I'll need to have a look at that all tomorrow. Taking most of the front, all the lights and stuff off. They're all in good nick. I'm gonna have to get a new one of these, which is a bit annoying, but or I'll try to bend it out. I'm not entirely sure yet. I don't know what it's supposed to look like, so that's not good. I'm also going to take the remainder of the fender off, taking the seat off. I'll take the side covers off, and yeah, I think that'll call it for the day. And I've made a list, so I'll order all the parts I need. And yeah, hopefully I'll do a little bit tomorrow afternoon or night. Got uni in the morning, so yeah, making some good progress. Yeah. Alrighty, so another day. I've already taken off the head bolt and then also just try and take the broken handlebars off, or the clip-ons, just call them whatever you want. Yeah, just taking them off. Still not sure what I'm going to do with this. Yeah, I'll continue on with that. Alrighty guys, we are back from Bunnings. I got the sockets that I need to do take this side of the crankcase off. So yeah, and then I'm going to try to get the bearing out. So I think I'm going to be using the oven. Fingers crossed it works. Snip it up, good. Just chuck that on for now. Good stuff. Good morning. Today, hopefully we're going to get this thing started. Fingers crossed. Yesterday I went out and got some oil, new oil filter, and yeah, I think that's all we'll need. I'll probably do a little flush just to try get any of the old oil out, and then yeah, we'll fill it up. Fingers crossed it starts up, no problems. Let's get to it. Alrighty, so I'm actually going to take the exhaust off to try get the belly pan off on the bike here, because as you can see, the exhaust covers up some of the bolts. However, I just went to undo these bolts and they're all very loose. I haven't touched this one and it's, you know, completely loose. So yeah, luckily I checked that.
Let's go, baby.
Not sure if you can see that, but a few little sparkles in there. Let's give it a clean. All I can. Finally on. That was an absolute mission. But she's back on. If you can just see it right there. Got to put the O2 sensor back on, and then I'll give it a clean and get all my grease off it. But that was a mission. Sweating hardcore. It's so hot down here in the shed. So yeah, get the exhaust back on, and then we'll fill it up with oil and plug the dash in, plug everything else in that we need to, and then fingers crossed she'll start up. Right, quick double check everything. All right, let me check some stuff and I'll get back to you. All right, I'm gonna reconnect up the front light. Don't think it'll make a difference. It shouldn't make a difference, but nevertheless, we'll give it a go. There's smoke coming from it. Oh no. Shit. Alright, I forgot to connect the O2 sensor up. So there was our smoke just coming out of there. But it doesn't smell too great. But sounds fine, which is good. So yeah, good stuff.